Okay, everybody. In between part 1 and part 2, I used this silver polish. And polished the cars. Bodies of the cars, the parts. Not too good, but my finger does just slide right along there, see? Both hands. Okay, as you can see, there's still a little bit of gold there I gotta get off from the paint. But I basically used a wire brush, and as you can see, I did get the windshield out, but I didn't do it the way I wanted it. Whenever I was about to get the drill, and right when I was done wire brushing it, right when I thought I was done wire brushing, it popped off. It like snapped off. So now I have to go online and find old Johnny Lightning car parts somewhere. I don't know how easy that's gonna be. Hey, eBay. Anyway, this car, the bottom part of the car actually came out. And look, I polished that nice and down. Look at that. It's been good in there now. Remember, watch my first video before you see how the base looks on here. Please check out my first video. But the base looks spectacular since I polished it and that stuff. But you ready to see it? Watch my first video before you see it. Here we go. Doesn't that look just spectacular? You should watch my first video for now. But that is great. That's just great. I've never done a casting like this before. This is just great. So now all I gotta do is find wheels, axles, and maybe not black axles. I may just drill the holes out there. But who knows? Now it looks way better than it did. I drilled the hole a little bit too much to put it back in. So I may have to find out how to screw this in here, but pretty nice. Watch my first video, like, subscribe to my channel, and yeah. Thanks for watching.